Setting up your TalkTalk YouView Box wirelessly is a straightforward process that eliminates the need for Ethernet cables. Let's start by ensuring you have everything ready for the setup. First, power on your TalkTalk YouView Box and connect it to your TV using an HDMI cable. Make sure to use HDMI port 1 for the best experience. Once your YouView Box is connected and powered on, you'll see the main menu on your TV screen. Navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually found on the home screen. The YouView Box will automatically scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. This process usually takes a few seconds to complete. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list, and you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Use your remote control to navigate and select each character. After entering your password, the system will perform an automatic connection test to ensure everything is working correctly. This includes checking signal strength and internet connectivity. Finally, complete the TalkTalk service authentication to activate your TV services. Your YouView Box is now successfully connected wirelessly and ready to stream your favorite content. When troubleshooting wireless connection issues with your TalkTalk YouView Box, the first thing to check is your Wi-Fi signal strength. A minimum signal strength of -70 dBm is recommended for reliable streaming. Router placement is crucial for optimal Wi-Fi performance. Position your router centrally in your home, elevated and away from walls or obstructions. Avoid placing it near devices that cause interference, such as microwaves or baby monitors. For optimal performance, especially when streaming 4K content, use the 5 GHz band if both your router and YouView Box support it. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds and less congestion compared to the 2.4 GHz band. If you experience buffering or connection issues, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to identify less congested channels. These apps show you which channels are being used by nearby networks, helping you find the clearest channel for your router. To prioritize streaming traffic and reduce buffering, configure quality of service settings in your router. QoS allows you to allocate more bandwidth to your YouView Box, ensuring smooth streaming even when other devices are using the network. Keep your YouView Box firmware updated to benefit from the latest performance improvements and security updates. Regular updates can resolve connectivity issues and improve streaming quality. For multi-story homes or areas with weak Wi-Fi signals, consider using a Wi-Fi extender or mesh network system. These solutions extend your network coverage, ensuring strong signals throughout your entire home for reliable streaming.